Hey, this is Dr. Campbell. And so today I want to talk about what makes an ugly Christmas sweater ugly. The onslaught of possessing an ugly Christmas sweater has taken the nation by storm. The sweaters are either knitted, printed, or handmade in various colors, styles, and themes. The ugly Christmas sweater has several benefits when designed correctly. The problem with many ugly Christmas sweaters is they do not really represent ugly. You see, ugly means to be offensive to the sight or unpleasant or offensive to many senses. Ugly should invoke some type of negative emotion or response. An ugly Christmas sweater is often a top pulled over the head to cover the torso, themed with a Christmas or winter style design. These clothing items are often knitted. A more traditional approach is often a roll neck or turtleneck top pull jumper. This definition does not truly follow rules associated with ugly, therefore, cannot qualify as an ugly Christmas sweater. Now, if you're really looking at what an ugly sweater should look like, you really have to better define examples of ugly clothing. And therein lies the problem. And so the true definition of an ugly Christmas sweater, for which many manufacturers do not meet, is that it is irregular in patterns and shapes and color. Pattern is an underlying structure that organizes surfaces or structures in a consistent, regular manner. Pattern can be described as a repeating unit of shape or form, but it can also be thought of as the skeleton, quote unquote, that organizes the parts of a composition. An irregular pattern is non-repeating in shape or form. Irregular patterns are consistent with irregular shapes. Irregular shapes have sides that are equal. Regular shapes have sides that are equal and interior, inside angles that are equal. Irregular shapes have sides and angles of any length and size. And here are various shapes of regular and irregular forms. You have a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon, a regular octagon, and then an irregular shape also includes a triangle. Now, irregular patterns can include themes. For example, there are thematic patterns associated with Christmas from a pagan perspective and a Christian perspective. A mixture of these two themes will create an irregular pattern, therefore helping to create an ugly Christmas sweater. Another possibility is the shape of the sweater. Now, most ugly Christmas sweaters have a similar shape. And one way to test the shape is through the shadow test, and I call it the shadow test. The test is performed by looking at the shadow to determine ugliness. If there is a smooth shape in the shadow, then the sweater is considered regular and does not fit the ugly requirements. However, the shadow of a sweater has an irregular pattern, then we can conclude that the sweater has a higher ugly rating than the sweater that is not irregular in shape. Another factor of an ugly Christmas sweater is the color theme. Now, researchers have reported that Pattern 448C, also called opaque crochet, is the ugliest color in the world. It is also reported on the Color Lovers website that the ugly colors include lime popsicle, elemental bits, baby poop, super fuchsia, And the last one is on the back. Now, in conclusion, a true ugly Christmas sweater is irregular in shape, can pass the shadow test, and has the inclusion of ugly colors. This is Dr. Campbell. You can get additional information on our website at www.uglychristmassweatersuperstar.com. You can call us at 856-566-3267 or email us at moreinfo@uglychristmassweatersuperstar.com. Thank you very much.